Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the App Podcast. We're going to take a look at Great First Lines, which isn't what you think based on the title. It's not a pickup line app at all. So Great First Lines here, basically, once you start, there's a couple of pages at first that kind of give you a little bit of an intro into the app, and then now we're looking at Great First Lines. So basically the premise on this app is that they're great first lines from the beginnings of books or poems or different things. And you can read the first lines, and this can kind of be a game too because you can guess what these are here. So scrolling across will bring you the different first lines. Going back the other way will take you back to the beginning. So that's how you kind of turn pages. You draw to the right to go to the next page and draw from the right to the left to go back. So here we're looking at this first line, and if I wanted the answer, I can click over here and it'll say the title of the book or the title of the writing and the author and the date, and then I could just tap the arrow to go back. So I can also look at all and view all of the answers here to the different. See, now I've got answers from 81 to 100. So let's go back and let's look at titles. I can go search based on titles. So I could look at G through I and see all of the different titles and get their number in the order of the index. I could search by author's name also, just the same way alphabetically. Now I could favorite these as well, because if they are, let's go into, well, what do we got here? We're just got a little bit of an error. Okay, let's exit out and get back in. So may have accidentally stumbled on a little bit of an error there. Okay, yeah, it's probably just my iPhone running into a memory issue, so it's probably not the app itself. So if this one we wanted to favorite it here, I can click on favorites, I could bookmark it, I can view all of my bookmarks, so let's add the bookmark, and then let's go and show all my bookmarks. And as you can see, I've got 2 in there because I bookmarked one earlier. Now, another thing that's nice is your size of text. You've got a couple different sizes here. Oops, I clicked on catalog. I wasn't ready for that yet. We've got a couple of different sizes here to make it easier for you to read. And then we've got our catalog here, which shows you a couple of different apps that are available. You can click on mobile books here, or, well, that one doesn't open up. Actually, it looks like none of these. Oh, there we go. We got it. And if you wait for a while, it'll load up the app, but I don't want it to do that. So, Great First Lines is a fun game especially for those of you who have read a lot of some of these older writings that are obviously greats, and this also could be a discovery tool in a sense, to where maybe you are wanting to read some classics, you're not 100% sure what you want to read yet. This can also be a great archive for you to go through. So it's a game at the same time as an archive, so you could find some great classics to read. So you can use it either way. So I don't know, it's just got a lot of options here. So if you are looking for an app like that, then this one is definitely for you. It's, I would say, for the intellectuals out there, those of you that like to read the classics. So take a look at this app. It's called Great First Lines, and it's in the App Store, and that's going to do it for our review today. Take care, and we'll see you next time.